If you see the smoothness of the pull, there's no spot where it really drops off big. And then go ahead and listen to the shot sound here. So it's considerably louder, obviously, the arrow hitting the target, and I'm shooting a little bit bigger line punching arrows. I'm going to do that again, and I want you to hear how quiet the bow is. The whole setup here from Hoyt is just crazy how quiet it is. Okay, we're going to do that again. I want you to pay attention to the draw cycle, as well as I want you to pay attention to the sound after the shot. Draw cycle comes back smooth. Get our anchor. Shot.